I hope all Dharma students make the aspiration, I shall devote the rest of my life to hearing, contemplating, and meditating. This will bring benefit to all sentient beings as well as to you. A practitioner is meant to tame their mind and help all sentient beings. Apart from the Dharma, we ordinary people may find joy in delicious food or a piece of elegant clothing, but we should know those worldly pursuits are not our ultimate goal. Such worldly things are just like a child's playhouse. When the child grows into an adult and reflects on their former pretend or imaginative play, they clearly realize the play was not something real. Nowadays, people are very attached to wealth and social status, but a few decades later, when they look back, they will find such things have little meaning. Thus, we should all set up a meaningful goal for our lives.